This is my Christine build. It's a 1958 Plymouth Fury. It didn't come with the correct carburetors or air cleaners, so I'm having to make some. It's scratch build. As you can see, I'm drawing a picture of it. It's like a bit of reference material to go by. There's a lot of things on this model that are not movie correct. Colours of the interior, firewall was incorrect. Yes, I'm having to scratch build a few things and also level the car. This is the air cleaner is complete. I made a little throttle system and a fuel line for it as well. So I made new front stub axles, cutting off the original axle, lowering the car down, makes it sit a lot lower, looking a lot better. I believe it sat too high, so decided to make it lower. My first attempt failed. I shaved it too quickly and broke one in half, so I ended up having to make a whole new second one to replace the one that I broke. It turned out pretty well. As you can see in the picture there, I broke one. So yeah, a lot of filing. It took me a long time to get them down to the right size so they'd match. One of them's still slightly off. I need to fix it. For the diff, I created some little lowering blocks, as I'm drawing here in the picture. Raising the diff up into the wheel well. It turned out quite well. Lowered the rear of the car right down. Nothing moved in any way, so the shocks are in the same position, so was exhaust. Worked out pretty well. So I shaved down the insides of all the wheels to make the wheel itself sit on the inside of the tyre and have the piece of white plastic go above it. So it looked more like the original car instead of being a fake plastic wheel. Then painted the inside of the wheel and removed some of the black to make it look like it was weathered. Turned out pretty well. Yeah. The wheel was meant to sit on the outside of the white wall to make it look like it does on the box. So I altered it to make it look more realistic, more like what a car should look like. So I painted this one a little backwards. I did all the engine bay first instead of doing the red. as I'm on budget at the moment, so I don't really have a red can at the moment because I broke it and it went everywhere. So I'm having to wait and buy some more. So this is the end of part 1. Hopefully part 2 will be out very, very soon. So enjoy.